My name is Ola Olsson, and I'm the CEO of Corebon. Corebon is the driver behind the change of production efficiency within carbon fiber reinforced plastics, which means lightweight materials. Lightweight solutions are driven by the pure fact that we need to spend less resources in this world to have a sustainable future. I have a fantastic team who has invented a technology based on induction heating that is and will revolutionize the development of production efficiency within carbon fiber reinforced plastics.
My name is Rasmus. I'm Chief Commercial Officer at Corebon. Our customers are global leaders within the aerospace, automotive, defense and sport industries. In order to stay competitive, they need to streamline and make their production more effective. And that's where Corebon comes into the picture. With our technology, you are able to produce at a faster rate with less consumed energy. So in order to meet our customers' high expectations and demands, we need to stay ahead, we need to stay focused, and we need to have the best hardware and software. With that in mind, we have invested in 3D Experience that helps us to collaborate in a good way with our customer and meet their demands.
My name is Kenneth Frogner. I'm in charge of research and innovation here at Corebon. Induction heating is the key technology in our solutions that allows us to have very fast, uniform and efficient heating of a thin metal mold. By using digital tools like SOLIDWORKS and 3D Experience, we are able to build digital twins of our setups, and we can optimize and predict the heating and cooling behavior. Many of our customers already have 3D Experience, and by having a digital representation that can be seamlessly transferred to them is very helpful.
My name is Charlotte, and here at Corebon I work as a project manager and working with processes. The Corebon need had changed, and we needed to have a platform that were more flexible, that gives the team more tools to work together.
We also needed a closer collaboration with our customers, and the 3D Experience enables that.
Since we started in 3D Experience, it has made our life really much more smoother, and we spend less time searching for information and switching between tools.
3D Experience has really helped us to reuse all the known designs into new customer projects, and this has really helped us to shorten time to market and streamline the development process in-house. In this way we can go from design and idea stage into a production stage much faster and more seamlessly.
Our aim is to standardize as much as possible so that time to market and the customer experience will be perfect.
Corebon has a huge need of digitalizing our business. We are working with active AI models to be able to decentralize a lot of what we do in our business, so we are experienced in using it. What we then also need is very efficient and very simple and very active tools that we can use for getting our products quicker to the market and have a shorter throughput time. That's why we're working with 3D Experience.
It feels great for us at Corebon to take in the step from an old server-based solution in the basement to a cloud-based solution that really is the future for us. The transition will really help us when we grow as a company.